and join me. Let's draw Mr. and Mrs. Santa Squishmallow. They're soft, round, and oh so cute. Are you ready? Let's go! Mr. Santa Squishmallow has the coziest red hat with a little pom-pom. Mr. Santa's laugh goes ho-ho-ho, but softer, like a gentle pillow. Let's try it together. Look, the eyes of Mr. Santa is open now. He enjoys glancing around. Mr. Santa's beard is as soft as a marshmallow and just as fluffy. What do you think of Mr. Santa's fluffy beard? Mrs. Santa Squishmallow loves baking cookies for all the Squishmallows in the North Pole. What's your favorite holiday treat? Maybe cookies like Mrs. Santa makes? Mrs. Santa wears an apron with tiny candy cane designs, so festive. Mrs. Santa's eyes have opened as well. I believe she enjoys what she sees. Excellent! Mr. and Mrs. Santa Squishmallow are looking so adorable. Now it's time to make them pop with colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's start coloring. Mrs. Santa loves singing carols while wrapping presents. Their squishy bellies make them perfect for cuddles, even on Christmas Eve. They both love decorating their Squishmallow-sized Christmas tree. If you could decorate a Christmas tree for them, what colors would you use? That is nice! They have tiny Squishmallow elves to help them deliver gifts. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. If you had your own Squishmallow Santa, what would you name them? What kind of presents do you think they're hiding in their sack? A toy train? A squishy teddy? What's your favorite thing about the holidays? I love all the twinkling lights and cheer. All done! Mr. and Mrs. Santa Squishmallow look so cuddly and festive. Don't forget to share our drawings and tell them all about our Squishmallow holiday adventure. You did such a wonderful job today. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time.